Hi, I'm Matt from the Intergalactic Herald. I am going over the Star Atlas Weekly News Recap number 58, so all the things that happened in Star Atlas this past week. You can find all the links mentioned here at intergalacticherald.com. Please look for recap number 58. So first we started out, Metaverse Nomads posted a video which was the Star Atlas Town Hall number 38, so you can actually listen to the entire town hall if you're interested. Puck the Pirate posted a video where he did the recap of that town hall. Gladiator also posted a video of his recap of the town hall. Metaverse Explorer posted a video of his recap of the town hall. Metaverse Nomads did their weekly Star Atlas live stream and posted a video of that. Aphia posted an article about everything to know about the upcoming SAGE escape velocity movement test. Aphia also published their weekly Star Atlas newsletter. Metaverse Explorer posted a video prepping for the upcoming Stavager Hut, also known as SAGE Escape Velocity. OCG Thor posted a video getting ready for escape velocity and things he'd like to know. Star Atlas published a Medium article where they announced the Star Atlas SAGE Escape Velocity Technology Test, also known as to help test everything on Solana. Puck the Pirate posted a tutorial of how to get into SAGE Escape Velocity. Kriggs from the Hologram published an article recapping the Star Atlas Town Hall. Kriggs from the Hologram posted a ultimate guide to Star Atlas Escape Velocity. OCG Thor posted a video about the escape velocity crashes and what to do about them. Metaverse Explorer posted a beginner's guide to the Star Atlas Scavenger Hut, also known as SAGE Escape Velocity. The Globe posted how to scan for loot in the Star Atlas SAGE Escape Velocity movement test. Atlas Theory posted a video of his thoughts and review of the movement test. Gladiator posted a video on tips to find loot in SAGE Escape Velocity. Griggs published an article about how escape velocity has been going and putting Solana to the test. If you'd like to find links to any of these articles or videos, please go to intergalacticherald.com and look for recap number 58. Thank you.